Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, then tap here to enter its settings, and here you have mirror. So by disabling this feature you disable like front mirroring effect, and now photos you take with front camera will be normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.